Hello, recipients. Hope you're all doing well. I present to you a chance to explore and shop from the fairy porn world located in the shadow dimension in order to grab the purification we need from this area because, well, this is just where our purification is located. So let's jump in it. Trying to steal our bit, but you can't take shit from shit. We revolve the audience. There is an angel watching over me, making sure I sit still, making sure the trees grow all around me, and that the girls stay just like they're supposed to be. Can't you see them too? Miguel, you have blown me away. I can go anywhere now. Poof, all aplenty. The eye is full now, and I'm gathering up my resources. Take back all you said of me, for it was never true to begin with, nor was it any of your business. Embarrassing, right? I've already seen that before. The candle in the middle sees you, and your every mile. You created the aardvark. Chronicle, some are you. But like a thin twig you truly are. Can't you see me? I am a murderless rooster. Can't you see I'm skinny? I am literally nothing. Now the children must be that too, although they have nothing to do with me. Tarot card war. Smothered am I no more. Free am I as a bird. Your thumbs cannot touch me now, for I am the Wizard of Oz, prickly piney in the shadows. And I am the all-seeing fireball of light, perched on top so safe. Am I really floating up above like this? Glitter falling down all onto me. Now nothing matters at all, just like the way it used to be. You jizzed all over the place to take everything. Now slam to the floor if you want it. The God Lass has taken me back now, for I am old enough to do this now. Light warriors, Hina! Aye aye, Captain. It is your time to swirl. The cutoff is one done now, and we can wipe our heads off with blood. And now I am the Evercolor. Fortress is my solitude. Hair is my growth. Silence is my Sadie. Blink is my eye. Wet is my coochie. Splendor is my eye. Sage. Genie, take me open. Flick me ha ha ha. Ballerina head. Girls were here first. And I am Lilith. The original vinyl. Now take your time with me. Together we are wild. And I say off to farewell, for do you tomorrow. Subscribe if you feel you receive a lot from these videos of mine. Comment down below if you have any questions or would love to chat about what you've gathered here today. Donate to my PayPal if you feel you love to commune and say thanks. And I'll be back here with more enlightening videos for the Ascension Collective in the near future. Hooah!